Hello guys, Assalam-o-alaikum. I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Lahore Museum, Punjab, Pakistan. Now we start video. The Lahore Museum is Pakistan's largest museum as well as one of its most visited ones. The museum houses an extensive collection of Buddhist art from the ancient Indo-Greek and Gandhara kingdoms. It also has collection from the Mughal Empire, Sikh Empire and British Empire in India. The Lahore Museum along with the Zamzama gun located directly in front of the building is the setting of the opening scene in the novel Kim Rudyard Kipling, whose father John Lockwood Kipling was one of the museum's earliest curators. Lahore Museum majestic red brick building blends the old tradition of Mughal architecture. It stands out among the structure building in Lahore during the British period 1849 to 1947. This building is home to the country's largest and oldest collection of historical, cultural and artistic objects. Its collection of Gandhara sculpture, miniature paintings, rare manuscripts and old coins are known throughout the world. Now Gandhara art. The Gandhara gallery presents a number of frieze panels and statues depicting the life story of the Buddha from his previous incarnations, birth, youth, enlightenment, reaching of the law and death. Beyond these, along the other walls of the gallery are the statues of the Buddha and the Bodhisattvas, panels and pieces showing foreign influence, architectural fragments, stucco and terracotta sculptures. Among the masterpieces are the famous fasting Buddha, the miracle of Saravasti, a small Buddha head with traces of original gilding, and the standing figure of Athena. The frieze and other pieces of a reconstructed stupa are from Sikri near Jamalgarhi district Mardan. Into display cases are displayed toilet trays, metal and stone object, poetry and terracotta, figurines, reliquaries and more belonging to the Greek, Parthian, Scythians and Koshan periods. Placed next to them are a number of beautiful stucco heads from Rokhni in district Miawali and terracotta head from Eknoor in Jammu. Now Lahore Museum's coin collection. The coin collections with 40,000 pieces is one of the largest in the subcontinent. It includes the earliest example of punch-marked coins issued in the 7th-6th century BC during time of Achaemenian Empire. This collection represents almost all the ruling families of the region like Greco-Bactrian, Indo-Greek, Mauryan, Indo-Parthian, Koshan, Indo-Scythian, Huns, Hindu, Shia, Arabs, Ghaznavid, the Sultans, the Mughals, the Doranis, the Sikh, the British and the modern coins of Pakistan. This collection attracts the attention of scholars from all over the world for its rarity and richness. Now Indus Valley Civilization collection. The Indus Valley Civilization Gallery represents various stages of pre- and proto-history. The object include Stone Age tool from Son Valley. Among the earliest objects produced by humans, the oldest in the gallery is from 500,000 years ago. The beginnings of civilization are represented by objects from Mehergarh, a Neolithic period site in Balochistan, famous for its continuous occupations by humans from 7000 to 2500 BC. The rest of the gallery exhibits objects from two large Indus Valley sites, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, 3500 to 1500 BC. First excavated in 1920 by teams led by British archaeologists. So, okay guys, now thanks for watching.